We've got bees landing on me. There's a lot of them in the air. We've got this one right here. He may try to sting me, but I don't know, we'll see. There's definitely a lot of activity over here. They're landing on branches and leaves that there's nothing really growing there, so I gotta think they're doing something on their own. Alright, so we definitely have a swarm. There's still a number of bees that haven't joined the swarm yet, so I'm waiting until they join the swarm.
These are aloes. There's no, this one's kind of dead. It dies and it comes back. And
Yeah, do you shake them out or what exactly?
It looks like they're not staying in.
I want to see how you do that. I want to see how you do
Oh yeah,
that.
a good bit of them stayed, right? Karis, don't back up a little bit because it's they're not loving what Dad's doing.
I'm hating what they're doing. Where's that cat?
I can definitely tell you've been around bees because I think this close would
Yeah.
scare a lot of people, but like when you know bees, you know that you're not a threat to them here.
They're not really going to
How old is that
bother you
cat?
unless you...
How old is that cat?
Which one?
That one? Wait, where's the other cat?
Where's the one you talking about? Oh, she's very, very old. Actually, she turned 27.
You know one thing,
Drown, Karis.
Karis, you know what, Matt, you know what Andy did? He, like, put them in a bag
No,
and then
get
hooked
back
it up
here.
to, like,
Get back here, you.
a wet dry vac
Shoot.
and,
He's all gone.
like,
Sucked them
gave
in.
them a tunnel to go through. There's a whole bunch on the side, honey.
Okay.
Do you want help?
Can you go before me and open that gate?
Yeah. All right, Matt is removing one of the congregations of bees, and it is deeply embedded in a bunch of bush, and so he's having to cut it out.
Look, a bee, a bee, a bee. Be very still. Why are these bees love the house? What's a swarm?
I bet you Daddy will explain it all whenever he's done.
Bee on your back. Why was that true? Bees are like, oh, this man's good. I mean, oh, this person is, this someone, this thing is good. Maybe everything.
Hey, Care Bear, let's not play up on the deck, honey. Come on down.